Good morning, everyone. My name is Irshad, and I am here to present presentation on need and importance of forecasting. So, what is forecasting? In simple term, forecasting means estimation or prediction of future. Forecasting is a process of estimation of future event by casting past data. The past data are systematically combined in a predetermined way to obtain the estimate of the future. Let's see about features of forecasting. It is concerned with future events. It is necessary for planning process. The impact of future events has to be considered in the planning process. It is guessing of future events. It is considered all the factors which affect organization function. Importance of forecasting. Forecasting plays an important role in all organization, business, and all like this pivotal role in organization. Many organization has failed because of lack of forecasting or faulty forecasting. The reason is that planning is based on accurate forecasting. Development of a business. The performance of specified objectives depend upon the proper forecasting. So the development of a business or an organization is fully based on the forecasting. Key to success. All business organizations are facing risk due to lack of forecasting. So the forecasting provides clue and reduce the risk. That's why the forecasting is must in that appropriate action. By taking appropriate action. Implementation of project. Many entrepreneurs implement a project on the basis of their experience. Forecasting helps an entrepreneur to gain experience and ensures him success. Need of forecasting. There are basically two reasons which are need of forecasting in any field or more in production and operation management. First one is purpose. Any plan is contemplated in the presentation to take care of condition set in future. This future condition offer a purpose or target to achieve so as to take an advantage of to minimize the impact of this fixture condition. Time to prepare a plan to organize resource for its implementation, to implement and complete the plan. All these need time as a resource. Some situations need very little time, some other situation need several years. So it at so therefore it is future forecast is available in advance. Appropriate action can be planned and implemented in time. Advantages of forecasting. Effective handling of uncertainty, balanced workload, minimization in the fluctuation of production, better material management, better utilization of capital and resources, better design of facility and production system. Limitation of forecasting. Forecasting is to be made on the basis of certain assumptions and human judgments which yield wrong results. It can be considered as a scientific method for guessing future events. It does not specify any concrete relationship between past and future events. It requires high degree of skills. It needs adequate reliable information, so difficult to collect reliable information. Heavy cost and time consuming. There is one simple example which I have made. When a manufacturer does forecasting to decide the appropriate time to purchase raw material for producing goods in the future, there are two choices in front of the manufacturer. Either either to buy raw material and store it in its inventory, or to postpone the purchase of raw material till future production. In this inventory, costs are stable and already known, and the issue of forecasting is related to the forecasting of raw material cost in the future. In other words, we can say if the future forecast cost of the raw material is much higher than its current cost, then it is feasible to buy and store it as an inventory for future use. On the other hand, if the forecast cost is less or equal to the current cost of the raw material, then to buy material later is more feasible. So this is how the forecasting depends in the production operation management.